If you like watching birds up close, there's an easy way to attract them right to your yard. If you build them a feeder, they will come. You'll need wood. I like rough sawn cedar, 2 pieces of plexiglass, dowel rod, a couple of hinges, and nails or wood screws. Following the instructions, carefully measure and cut out the 10 pieces of wood. In 2 of the 4 side pieces, drill a 3/8 inch diameter hole at each end. Then cut a bevel edge on the roof pieces and assemble. Make sure you leave a 1-inch space below the plexiglass for proper seed flow. You can use masonite for the sides, but I prefer plexiglass so I can see when a refill is needed.